investing on yourself is the best investment you will ever make in your life. It will not only improve your life, but it will also improve the life of others or those around you. So, namaste to all of you. My name is Koj Tapu of Class 9 Standard from VKV Ziro, Arunachal Pradesh, and I'm very glad here to participate in this festival so-called Arunachal Children Literature Festival of 2021. And my topic is to introduce a book. So, I've read a lot of self-help books and personality development books, but there are few that have struck me forever. So one of those few brilliant gems is the infamous The Monk Who Stole His Ferrari by Robin Sharma. There's no denying it. It's a very polarizing book. Either you are going to hate it and consider it to be as a psychopable, or you're going to love it so much that it changes your life. The plot of this story revolves around Julian Mantle, who has made his fortune and his name in the profession, jolted by a sudden heart attack. His practice comes to a standstill. He povers over material being, success, word of faith, and renounces all of it and leaves for India, where he embarks on a spiritual journey into a millionaire old culture, where he learns how to live happily, how to think deep and rightly, how to be more disciplined, how to value time and relationships, and how to follow the heart's call and live every moment of life. So most of the principles dealt with can be found in countless other volumes on self-help, personal growth, and spirituality. Sharma's way of putting this in the form of fable to keep one on track, and otherwise being tired of listing all good such things that we should be doing for ourselves but aren't. It's been criticized for its lacks of literally. But today I said that what matters. It's not meant for the great literature, just inspirational and friction. Today I think that it's more than meets the brief. So the practical lessons that Julian learns, if one can so applies, that is help develop joyful thoughts, nourish relationships, cultivates joy, discipline, and live every moment of life to the fullest. So this is one of the books that will surely improve the quality of yours, but only if you could listen to the advice. So thank you and namaste.